What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word we use instead of a noun. We use it so we do not repeat the same name again and again. For example, instead of saying, David is happy, David is running, David is eating, we say, David is happy, he is running, he is eating. The word he replaces David. That word is a pronoun. Personal pronouns. I, you, she, he, it, we, they. Examples: I am ready. You are kind. He is tall. She is reading. It is raining. We are learning. They are playing. Possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Examples: this book is mine. That bag is hers. The house is ours. The seats are theirs. Write one sentence using a pronoun in the comments below.